Okay, as I get started with my recipe today, I'm going to do something that I haven't done before. I have got Alfredo sauce that I'm going to open that's been in the jar for over a year, and it's canned with a ball lid. Then I've got another one that is chicken that is canned with a superb lid. I'm going to do a comparison. I want to open these two side by side and let you see the difference in how they have sealed. So I'm going to set the camera down here. I'm going to first open the Alfredo sauce that's been canned with a ball lid. Okay, so there's that. Now I'm going to open the superb lid. I think there's no comparison between the two. Just for the fun of it, this is a lid, a ForJars lid with chicken in it that I canned in 2023. I want to see what it sounds like. Did you hear a pop? I heard just a little bit of a sizz, but no pop.